Good afternoon. I'd like to recap April 29th's trading in the E-mini. I had a pretty good day. Market was a little bit squirrely at times because of the FOMC announcement, but we did actually trade the news. We had bad news today that brought in selling before the day session opened. After the day session opened, bad news rallied the market. So the first trade that set up for us, this was the news right here, was software generated. This letter S was over that bar. When you broke that bar's low, you were short, and that gave you 3 to as many as 5 points. Right before the opening, the software generates this trade with the letter B, and the market rallies, and it gives you 3 to as many as 7 points. This was a trade we took live in the room off this letter S right here. Gave you 3 points to as many as 8. This was a trade that we took in the room right here, this retest failure. Entered when we took out that bar's high. That gave you 3 to 4 points. Then we kind of chop. We don't get any signals. There is no B here. There is no S there. There is no B right here. Finally, we get a signal off the software right here, and that gives you 3 points. Get another signal off the software, and that's our loser for the day. Gives you 2 points. This letter B right here is a legitimate trade. We move our stop to break even after 2 bars. That's a 0. Then we get a trade down here off of this S that yields 0. Got a nice retest failure here, this letter B. That gives you 3 to 4 points. And right in here, if of either of these two S's, you scratch the trade for 0. This B gives you 3 to as many 7 points than the FOMC announcement is made. Get a retest this low, you enter here long, and you've got 3 to 7 points coming off the high. Software generated trade off that letter S, and that gives you 3 to 4 points. So there were 12 possible trades that if you took the low number, our expectancy, 3 points off NM, you had 27 points. You had one loser for 2, and you had 2 to 3 for 0. So you ended up, if you took every trade, getting 25 points. Now nobody takes every trade. It's just not built into us to be able to do that, but somewhere less than 25 points was still a pretty good trading day. If you'd like to know more about us and how this is done, come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get information on the software and our trading methodologies. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.